Supreme Court reserved judgment on disqualification case of Forest and Environment Minister Taunazam Shyamkumar under anti-defection law. Jailed CPI Manipur State Council Secretary L. Sotin Kumar for protesting the Citizenship Amendment Act finally released today after spending 23 days behind the bars. People observed 31st Drivers' Day at various parts of Manipur today in honor of the drivers for their selfless contribution. One ASI of Kangpokpi Reserve Line District Headquarters gets suspension for assaulting and threatening a trucker at gunpoint. And SSA and RMSA teachers submit memorandum to Education S Department declaring non-involvement in any educational activities in demand for their 6-month pending salary. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you the primetime English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. The Supreme Court has reserved judgment on the petition filed by Congress MLA K. Meghachandra to disqualify Forest and Environment Minister Taunazam Shyamkumar from being a member of Manipur Legislative Assembly. Impact News sources said after the final hearing on the petition filed by MLA K. Meghachandra to disqualify Taunazam Shyamkumar from MLA and ministership under the anti-defection law, three-justice bench of the Supreme Court reserved judgment for another day. Impact News sources also said the Congress party is all geared up to file petition at the apex court to disqualify 7 Congress MLAs who had defected to BJP to form the state coalition government after the last assembly election. 2 Congress MLAs, including K. Meghachandra, filed petition at the High Court of Manipur to disqualify Minister Shyamkumar under the anti-defection law in 2019. But Justice of the High Court of Manipur, K. Naveen, closed the case, stating that the High Court cannot come to a judgment. Following the High Court's order that the petition may approach the Supreme Court, MLA K. Meghachandra in August of 2019 filed a petition for the same at the Supreme Court. CPI Manipur State Council State Secretary Laishram Sotin Kumar, who was kept behind bars for 23 days for protesting the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), was released today. Left parties and people of the state garland Eld Sotin Kumar and accorded a warm welcome upon his release at CPI office in Irabad Bhavan. Speaking on the occasion, Laishram Sotin Kumar said that he cannot bear the fact that those who are against the undemocratic and non-secular act are being punished. He asserted that he was arrested prior to the general strike called by left parties on 19th of December last year for extending solidarity to the strike. Laishram Sotin Kumar condemned the arrest of 16 left party's leaders who took part in the strike on sedition charge as unreasonable.
Left ki dol singna miyam da appeal tawjaba khak natana numit adu kari makangi adumba khudong thiba yekhaiba thingaiba mai thaba natraga miyam da disturb toba amata thokidaba sugumba yamna democratic oiba adumba iho amada adumba saru yarubagi lead tawrubagi damakta fajallaga jail da namsan baiba se masi yam sathiba adumba lenga ngasigi sarkar sigi yam hangoiba adumba lenga amane sugumba sideshangi ek asi kanada pangada madudi bharot ki ningtam darai yaruktaba adu lerena makhan kayagi miyam gi suri nomi kyagi amata yaruktaba kambu sing BJP gumba moida panbam thokpa ek mayam sing se masing asidi communist party the panjan base yam laibak thiningai oiba mane.
31st Drivers' Day is being observed at various parts of Manipur today in honor of drivers for their selfless contribution in the society. All Manipur Petroleum Tanker Drivers Union held the observance at Napungkhong Community Hall in Larigengbam, Makhalekai. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro urged the government to build rest houses for drivers on national highways. K. Robindro said he understands the inconveniences facing the drivers on duty as his father was once a driver. The Deputy Speaker also urged people to show gratitude and respect to drivers as they are the ones who ferry in Delhi essentials for survival. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of late drivers. Gifts were also presented to surviving family members of the left drivers and to the retired drivers at the event.
Koi driver singna chap ayung indin chaliba marak sida pothabam makoi gi damak safe and sound oi gadam pothabam mafam khara da machi michi khar thambita di hojik thoiba accident thokpa warak tana uirak pa yaurok sugumba thorok tok mayam thoiba karigumba sugumba station macha secure oiba jaga da thambita di sarkar na makoi da ju pothabai matam piba makoi da ju nungai matam pibdo khitang leita di makoi da ju yamna mating pang si Manipur si ki mating pang ti mathak ta amwe su hena pang katra khanje ngasi driver day ji thorom sida leibiri ba drivers pune makta ikok nonna Manipur ki dumak sebak to biri se makoi da tek ta kai da ba oibiyo habse si haina haje.
Speaking to media, President of All Manipur Petroleum Tankers Drivers Union, Y. Bhupen Chandra Ghosh, appealed to the government to take measures for curbing illegal tax collection by hill-based prescribed groups from the goods trucks drivers on Imphal Dimapur and Imphal Jiribam national highways. He also appealed to the government to mend the traffic system into one way for trucks ferrying petroleum products on Jiribam Imphal Road to avoid road mishaps, ensuring smooth drive.
कोइना अथॉरिटी दा सरकार दा कोइना हाइजेनिंग मुझे ड्राइवर सिंह की अवाब सिंह अच्छे कोई बुलेटिन से चाहे खुदिंग कोई कनो तो सर्कुलर टॉक जबनी मसी नैना बीरगा प्रचार सेक्शन खुदुन ड्राइवर सिंह जी सिंपैथी पीबीओ मोरल सिंपैथी पीबी इंकरेज पीबीओ लोइने नोरेना ड्राइवर एसोसिएशन यूनियन लेइबो मयाम सिंह सिना ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन ना अखोई की मपा लम की मियो सिंह दा ऑफिस बियर ओहन बिगनो अखोई की मणिपुरी लोन जो फजना खंगदबा अदिगी वोटर लिसु चंदबा अदि मपा लम दे लाको सिंह दा मधु पीबीगनो मसी तोबियो येलोमी सिंह दा लाइलेक सोइरबा लेरिबा थबक फंगदबा अदगी मयाम लेरिबा नारोन सिंह दा कौशन बिदना मधु सिजनबियो लोइना ये ओपनली थोलग लौरे जिरी दसु अदे दिमापुर दसु हौजी एक्सटॉर्शन की चांगजे हंकलाए अदुना मची थिंबियो काउंटर पार्ट सिंह उनरगा.
Old Manipur Drivers Welfare Association also observed the 31st Drivers' Day at Kaithel Manbi Truck Parking on National Highway 37 in Imphal Jiri Road today. Gracing the event, the Konthaujam MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan and Sekmai MLA H. Dingo appreciated the drivers for their valuable contribution in the society. MLA Ranjan called upon people to show gratitude towards the selfless drivers, while MLA Dingo urged the government to initiate welfare programs for them.
Singzina moina chatliba lamben chari akhoi chatliba kaino ja terrain sida awana yam targa chatpa kaino ni sigi mathak sida akhoi in fact harassment tawgi mahuta amoina support tawbiraga mogi awana taban gari yadba bu hairo ana ye kaino tawbu hairo sigi amoina support pibi gadobune ana khanjai tuga akhoi gi
chaba khangdana prajagni mta honor be sireida amuk makoi da mu harassment tawbi ba se masi yam inhuman oiba adumba kaino oigani haidana ye admaina thamjage loinana akhoi gi lairiba driver sing sibu yam nungsi chana tawbiba makoi bu support tawbiba morally support tawbiba adagi moida facility imung manungi awana adagi family gi awana sing da khone saruk yabiba aduga loinana akhoi gi paliba government asina su akhoi gi driver sing sigi makoi gi welfare gi damakta khanba yamna tangai fadaba lai haibasi mai ma la thamji.
Manipur State Transport Drivers and Conductor Union also observed Drivers' Day at MST office in Moirangkhom today. Speaking on the occasion, MST Joint Director Laishramd Delina said MST has organized the observance for the first time to honor drivers for their significant contribution in the society.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 2017ꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯟꯗꯒꯤ MSTꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯧꯍꯧꯅꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯔꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯇꯤꯕꯤꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠꯅꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯀꯟꯗꯛꯇꯔꯁꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯂꯦꯁꯂꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯇꯤꯕꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯒꯥꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯔꯤꯒꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯗꯦꯌꯔ ꯋꯔꯛꯇꯨ उच्चबनी
BSR Driver Union also observed 31st Driver Day at JNNURM Hold in Kakching, Sumak Lekai today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of late drivers of the union. Gifts were presented to surviving family members of the late drivers and to retired drivers at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of the Transport Department, B.K. Sharma, urged people of the state to be grateful to the drivers for their ferry in essential commodities for survival. He also appealed to the drivers to be careful while driving and to obey traffic rules to avoid road mishaps. B.K. Sharma also mentioned that the department has taken additional measures in issuing driver's license to avoid road accident in the wake of rising number of vehicles in the state. Thoubal District DTO Karamt Naresh, Vice Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council KSH Jhalajit, Kakching Police Station OC AK Premjit, Kakching Commando OC H Mutumba, Vishnupur District OC M Maipak and many people attended the event. Union members also play a friendly football match at SECU grounds to mark the day.
Safety haibase lambi da chaliba mi gari thoriba miyoising khudimok adu department regulatory one lariba enforce tawriba akoi police department motor vehicle department adu traffic police sigi yam chawba sinpham ni yam chawba role ni adu lambi da section na khudung thiban nang chatpa amasung gari thoba haibase masi mipum khudimok hari aina ngsa khar panjariba department sing adu gari thobi wichinau sing khudimok punjal lakanda koina gyan dana bhap dana traffic niyom pajani inba gari ki speed yam kan thobi doba gari thaina ba khono matamda niyom chuma tobiragadi akoi maman yamla punsi mayam se masi kanba ngangani haibagi wakhalonsi ai mayam da thamjage.
Fisheries Minister and KIC has also called upon the people to show gratitude to drivers for their immense contribution in the society. He was speaking at the 31st Drivers' Day observance organized by Old Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union at ISBT Kumalampak today. Attendees paid homage to 263 drivers who died on different incidents while on duty. Minister and KIC also launched and distributed health card under Raj Health Wealth Plus scheme of Raj Medicity, not AOC, to provide free medical treatment to drivers.
Driver punamukko aikoi cooperation pirega driver singo matik chana mokhona driver ama oina mathau tawriba dubo amuk hena makoda mathau pi halega aikona manipur da ngasi nongma gi dakar huiba essential commodities punamuk si driver mayam singa koida kuisin birega aikoi manipur punjab punamuk si khasi acha tha punamuk si ta ta aduna ngasi aikoi driver sinun chimbo amka hena makoibo cooperation pirega makobo thongna le hanba haibisi yamga darkar hoibini.
A policeman has been suspended for assaulting a trucker. ASI T.H. Hitler of Kangpokpi Reserved Line District Headquarters reportedly threatened the truck drivers at gunpoint this morning. Kangpokpi District SP Mahesh Narend suspended ASI T.H. Hitler under Rule 66 of the Assam Police Manual Part 3 after a video about his misconduct went viral. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA teachers have submitted a memorandum to the Education Est stating that they will not take part in any educational activities if their 6-month due salary is not given to them at the earliest. The teachers submitted the memorandum to the Education Est director at the Education Est office in Lumfeld this morning. Speaking to media, Joint Secretary of Joint SSA RMSA Teachers Association of Manipur, Nongmaithim Prakash Chandra, said that they will not take part in the upcoming board examinations or any activities under School Fagat Hansi mission if their pending salary is not released at the earliest. He appealed to the government to bring a permanent solution to the matter at the earliest by acknowledging their plights.
Manipur government akhoi SSM madi RMS gi oja sing si 2011 dagi regular employee moina appoint tawibani adubu regular employee orga su regular employee magi hak tu dinga si phok phangdri amasina maram orga akhoi gi SSM amadi RMS gi oja sing mamangda lauthok chagi ba legre akhoi laiba metric ki board exam amadi council gi exam da akhoi thabak yawjaroi ngasi dagi school gi training amadi school gi thabak sing amta yawjaroi adugo loina na akhoi Manipur government gi achobu mission amang loina paikhat liba akhoi school phaganji mission sida backbone oina pudori si RMS amasung SSC gi ojani adubu akhoi yawdana government chalaiba ngamra haibado akhoi SSM di RMS gi ojasing maikai dagi phongdokjari.
Meanwhile, Education as Director T.H. Kiran Kumar has assured that the teachers' pending salary will be released at the earliest. Speaking to media at Education Est office, T.H. Kiran Kumar said SSA and RMSA teachers are paid under a central scheme and their grant have been irregular since the start. He lamented that the teachers have denied to hold meeting with the government to discuss on their issue. T.H. Kiran Kumar appealed to the teachers to cooperate for resolving the same.
Mathak thongmadura chatminara wari bu saruji bu hairu moi pendabda sumaina bu hairu ji bu hairu moina seida chi pisali bu ji budi moi aning mapa madu budi khanarani adu makha tarakpada akoi kari tawba yage do tana budi chumi moina tawdre akoi tawre habadi leite thawning madagi mayam hairam babudi yai adu akoi gi oja kani huji emission gi matamni angang anauba hojiki mingjan matamni moigi mateng yamna darkar tai school phajana chalaibada sarkar na su akoi gi tolok ki pose even financially kitang waraga chu tolop ni na soidan ki pigani haibadi haidi hai adu cheda pithorakpa amadi tasengna pithorakpa ne khoi ngairis.
Students and teachers of Janet Academy, Sangaipuro today carried out a protest demonstration against the ban imposed on the schools by proscribed KCP People's War Group. A student protesters condemned the ban has been imposed on the school following wrong allegations when the class 11 and 12 CBSE examinations are just around the corner. She added that the ban imposed by the prescribed outfit on the school affects not only students of the school but the entire student community. Various placards were displayed at the protest meet.
Oza haibasi akoi butak bi tambiriba oza singni masida sirak liba maral sing ase athubu matamda hantok piu amadi school asida thambak liba aranba sing asi sengtok pirau akoi tasengna like school tamjaningi.
The ongoing 28th Imphal Book Fair is a feast for book lovers. 19 book firms from outside the states and 28 book firms from the state have opened 120 book stalls at the fair organized by State Central Library, Imphal and Department of Art and Culture in association with Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata at Stadium Ground. The book fair begins on the 10th of January and will continue till 19th of January. Books on competitive examinations, science and technology, and book on age-old history of the state are made available at the fair. Bookstall owners have appealed to visit the book fair like any other festivals of the state.
ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯧꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯦꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯗꯨꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ
ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯔꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯇꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯟꯊꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯀꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ
ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯐꯪꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯔꯇꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯕꯨꯛ ꯐꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ
ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ UPSC ꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯎꯕ
ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯩ
ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ
ꯕꯨꯛ ꯐꯤꯌꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯏ ꯆꯜꯂꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯤ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 85th birth anniversary of Kabir Ratna awardee, late B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. People remembered Kavi Ratna awardee late B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma on his 85th birth anniversary today. Manipuri Literary Society Imphal and family members of late B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma, who is considered as the king of lyricists in Manipur, have held the observance at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Yashkult. Speaking on the occasion, Yashkult MLAT's Satyavarta assured to strive for recognizing one of B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma's songs as a stage song. He also expressed desire to release those unpublished books of B. Jayanti Kumar and to construct his statue. Assistant Professor of Manipur University of Culture, Mangkhon Mani Mongsaba, and many eminent persons eulogized Agya B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma on the occasion.
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯁꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯖꯗꯕꯩ ꯍꯪꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯑ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯆꯣꯡꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Speaking to media, President of Manipuri Literary Society Imphal, Samurai Latpam Pralhat, said people of Manipur can do a lot more in honor of late B. Jayanti Kumar Sharma. He said if B. Jayanti Kumar was ever born in Assam like the renowned music composer Bhupin Hazarika, people would have already constructed his statue in homage. Samurai Lakpan Pralhat lamented that none of these songs penned down by B. Jayanti Kumar has been recognized as a state song, even though many of his songs are still played at various state functions.
B. Jayanti Kumar asi Manipur gi anoba modern sei iba singi ningthau ne na ngasi phau da hai state government ki function kaya da khomlang laman singam loi imanang ki haibasi masi hoi ma Manipur haiba asigumba ma ki sei singa se state song oina karak sakrabane adubu assembly da B. Jayanti Kumar gi sei amana Manipur gi state song oire haibase ngasi phau lauthoktabase jati asigi laibok thibane na khale.
Raid by a special team of National Investigation Agency NIA at house and showroom of Eastern Motors proprietors Sinand Pritam is going on. 4 army vehicles come and started the raid since 8 in the morning today. Family members and showroom staffs were restricted entry. There is no news of recovery of any illegal items so far. A combined team of Technopole District Police, Narcotic Affairs and Border, Forest and Civil Administration's Technopole District has destroyed illegal poppy plantation at 4 different places, including Nungtak village under Machi subdivision. Technopole District Police SP TH Vikramjit Singh, SP of NAB W Basu, Forage Rents Officer More Santosh, SDO Machi, SDC Technopole, Additional SP LO, Additional SP Operations and many personnel took part in the drive. Poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of around 108 acres of land were destroyed in the drive. Unknown miscreants have planted 1 Chinese hand grenade in the front of a shop at Sangai Pro under Lamphel Police Station in the Imphal West. 1 40-year-old K.H. Rakesh, son of Kumar from the Tera Yengkom Lairak, runs the shop at the rental room owned by 1 Gunikanta from the Sadok Pump. According to Impact News sources, 1 Manipuri found the hand grenade. Upon being informed, Manipur police personnel immediately rushed to the spot for investigation. Later, Manipur bomb disposal team recovered the bomb and disposed it off safely at a garbage disposal site in Lamphel around 9 this morning. Lamphel police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Former Work Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar has denied issuing any work order for repairing the road from the Sekmaijind to Khordak Bridge during his tenure, as claimed by Muhammad Akil Ahmed of Passenger Vehicles Association. Muhammad Akil Ahmed reportedly made the claim through media on 10th of January. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, K.H. Ratan Kumar said sanctions for the road repair was granted during his tenure, but due to incomplete tender process, the work order was issued only on October 13, 2017 by PWD Chief Engineer. He warned Muhammad Akil Ahmed of legal actions if he failed to clarify the same within 3 days.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯈꯣꯔꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯐꯟꯗꯒꯤ CRFꯇꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ MD ꯑꯀꯤꯜ ꯑꯍꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ representative ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯎ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ MD ꯑꯀꯤꯜ ꯑꯍꯃꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ.
Today, 16th state-level Kachai Lemon Festival begins at Kachai village in Ukhrul district today. Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited organized the festival funded by North Eastern Council along with EBADA, MIDH and MOMA, Horticulture Department, Tourism Department, MACS and Kachai Local Ground. Lemon farmers of the area are displaying their products in the 89 stalls. Top 3 lemon farmers will be presented 25,000, 15,000 and 10,000 rupees each, respectively. Joint Director of ICAR Research Complex for Northeast Region, Manipur Center, Dr. N. Prakash, MOMA Project Director K. Devadatta and many people attended the event.
Hardly 5 gram chips they are selling at 10 to 20 rupees. If our farmers can make good packing, your value is the more. My humble request to the farmers, you go for value addition and post harvest more training so you can take advantage there. If you want to export outside, you need more quantity. Our hardly 150, 15 to 20 tons one wagon. So we need more production. More production we need. So we need area expansion.
International Observation Committee on Puya Maithaba ICOP has kicked off a 3-day Black Day observance today ahead of 291st Puya Maithakibagi Ningsing Numit. The event was held at Kumand Mahikold Loishang in Mayang Infalt. Attendees lamented the dark day in the history of Manipur when the ancient scriptures of the Meitei community was set ablaze in the frenzy wave of Hinduism. They urged the authorities concerned to declare the Black Day as a state holiday. Students from 27 schools attended the event wearing black brooch. It may be mentioned that the 291st Puya Maithakibagi Ningsing Numit will be held at Ibudau Pakhangba Laikold in Mayang Infalt. Three-day training programmed on enhancing agri-marketing through processing, packaging and branding of black rice of Manipur kicked off today at the conference hall of Youth Hostel in Kumalampak. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Mission Organic Value Chain Department Agri jointly organized the program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Experts from outside the state will train 45 farmers from the various producer company of various districts of Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidem, said that the training will greatly benefit the farmers. He added that Manipur can now earn profits from exporting various food products when the farmers gained knowledge on the processing, packaging and branding.
Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region की Central Sponsor Scheme असी मखादा Department of Agriculture ना अखोई Black Rice थाबगी program असी 2017-18 दगी पैखल लगली मरम मधुना थारी बच्चा हाउसिंग असी मतौ करम ना processing तवरगा packaging तवरगा as organic commodity अमोइना योनबगी लोक्सिंग बिगानसिंग अदु ताकपी तमनी दमकता expert मयाम अम कवरगा पैखल सबा program नि मसी की program असी पैखल लबदी अखोई farmer singna producer singna amasung processing unit singna chandong leina papangi lamda export toba yaragani.
Press release from Chief Minister's Secretariat says the combined Hill Leaders Day and People's Day for December 2019 and January 2020 will be held on 15th of January. Now the sports news. BBU Barak Circles defeated Icheld club Dibong by 2-1 in today's pre-quarter-final knockout match of the ongoing first Moirang-themed Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020. 16 teams are participating in the tournament kicked off by Old Jiribam Sports Association at Jiribam Higher Secondary School playground since 3rd of January. Singri Bond Football Academy will meet FCK New Alipur tomorrow. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Supreme Court reserved a judgment on the disqualification case of Forest and Environment Minister Taunajum Shankumar under anti-defection law. Jailed CPI Manipur State Council Secretary Laishram Sotin Kumar for protesting the Citizenship Amendment Act finally released today after spending 23 days behind the bars. People observed 31st Drivers' Day at various parts of Manipur today in honor of drivers for their selfless contributions. One ASI of Kangpokpi Reserved Aligned District Headquarters gets suspension for assaulting and threatening a trucker at gunpoint. And SSA and RMSA teachers submit memorandum to Education S Department declaring non-involvement in any educational activities and demand for their 6-month pending salary.